Hi everyone, welcome back with the second regular Sudoku in today's newspaper of, yes, it's Wednesday, still Wednesday, February the 24th, 2021. The second regular Sudoku is a medium Sudoku, and this one will be a number 2373. All right. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 26 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong, but if you compare 26 with the Sudokus with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars in the additional of the newspaper, then this will be a 2 stars Sudoku. All right, so let's get started. Let me see. Yeah. Oh, apologies. My yeah, my tripod is not functioned correctly. All right, so let's get started. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this column. 2 of those missing numbers are the 7 and a 4. We have a 7 and a 4 here in this big square, so no 7 and a 4 in these two boxes. We see here the 7 and a 4 in this row, so no 7 and a 4 in that box. So the 7 and a 4 goes in these two boxes. We see there 4, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in the last column. So the column between, the only place for the 1 should be there. Then let me see. 5, 8. Yeah, it should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the second row. So in the third row, the only two places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. Then, yeah. All right. Let me think. 892. Yes. In this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. 3 of those missing numbers are the 8, 9, and a 2. So no 8, 9, and a 2 in these two boxes. 8, 9, and 2. So the 8, 9, 2 goes in these 3 boxes. 8, 9, 2, 8, 9, 2, 8, 9, 2. So what are the other two boxes in this big square? 8, 9, 2, 1, 5, 3, 4. So it must be the 6 and the 7. 6 and the 7. Let me mark those. 6 and the 7. 6 and a 7. So we have a 1 in this row, 1 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only two places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only place for the 3 should be there. 1 box left in this middle row for the number 4. Alright, 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so in the row above. The only two places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used, I can see. Digit number 1, number 4. Then 6, 6. 5 in this column, 5 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only place for the 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so the row above. The only two places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 5. How about these 4 missing numbers in the second column? One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9 in this big square, so no 9 in those two boxes. So the 9 could be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the row above. So in that row, only two places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the column next. So in that column, the only two places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in the third row, 9 in the second row. So in the first row, the only two places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. Nine. Then I cannot continue with the 9. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 6 and a 7 are missing. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 2 goes there. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 2 should be here. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 6 and 8. We see there 6, so no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 8 goes there. That means these 3 missing numbers, one of the missing numbers in 8. We see here an 8, no 8 in those two boxes. 1 box left for the 8 should be there. 2 missing numbers. The 9 and the 2 are missing. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here and the 2 goes there. And all the no 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so the row below. The only two places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 9. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 7. We see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 7 in the first column, 7 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place for the 7 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 5. 8 and 5, no, we have 8 and 6. 8 and 6, let me mark those. 2 numbers left in the third column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and the 8 are missing. We see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here and 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3, we see there 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here and 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and the 8 are missing. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here and a 5 goes there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 1 and 3. 1 and 3. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 2 numbers left in the second column for the numbers 3 and 8. 3 and 8. We have a 3 there, so no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 8 goes there. Now we have an 8 there, so this box cannot be 8 anymore. This box should be an 8. And this should be a 6. 2 numbers left in the first row for the numbers 1 and 2. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 6. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this row. Second row for the numbers 1 and 6. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 6 goes there. Now we have a 1 here. So this box can't be 1 anymore. This box should be the 1 and this should be a 3. Then 2 numbers left in the middle column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and an 8. 7 and an 8. We have a 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here and a 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 6. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 6 goes there. Now we have a 6 there. So this can't be 6 anymore. This box should be a 6. And this should be a 7. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 3 and 7. We have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here and a 3 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. Alright. Great. Medium Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the killer Sudoku. Yes, killer Sudoku. See you then. Bye bye for now.